Why many people stop believing on God and why they don't have to. It is not that many people wake up one day and they decide we will not believe on God anymore. In fact, it is usually slow process which involve pain and disappointment, unanswered prayers. First reason, pain and suffering. This is major and big reason to deny the existence of God. When people suffer pain and tragedy, when tragedy hit them, there is unanswered prayers. They begin to ask that question, if there is really good God, then why there is suffering in my life? In fact, this is not the absence of God. In fact, they are expecting from life unreal expectations and also from God. When these expectations do not meet, they become disappointed. And the second reason, religious people or church going people, when they see that these people are hypocrite, their behaviors are not good, they begin to think maybe their God is not good. But this is not the case. God is not human being. God is different. And third reason can be their desire of independency. They want to be independent. They want to be free. They don't bear any lordship on their life. Maybe their faith make them limited, inconvenient. They feel that we are not free to do whatever we want. But listen carefully. Human being never created to be free from what I can say. They are not created to live on their own. They are created as a worshipper. They have to worship God. So lastly, there is a reason intellectual. There are many questions putting science in our mind, and we are asking questions on the being of God. So science cannot give answer all of our questions. If you have these kind of questions, if you are on that journey to deny God, to stop believing on God, please pause. Don't rush on. First, ask honest question to God. God will not mind it. He wants to give answers. Do your honest search. Do search your own self. Maybe you are not thinking rightly, and then decide. And I believe God will answer you. By somehow, maybe He will give you wisdom, insight, or maybe He will bring any person who can answer your questions. If you have doubt, it's okay. God will not mind it. So my desire and hope for you that you will search, you will ask the questions, and God will answer you. Thank you.